Today on Southern Accent Foods, I'll show you an easy recipe for these colorful stuffed peppers. We're going to stuff these bad boys with a slightly spicy sausage filling and top them with a crispy Parmesan cheese mixture. You'll need 3 bell peppers, any color you like. Cut them in half from top to bottom. I like to do it this way because they become more like bowls than cups, plus you don't waste anything. Remove the seeds, cut out the ribs, and you're ready to make the stuffing. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Add about 8 ounces of good quality sausage to a large sauté pan over medium heat and maybe a little canola oil. I'm using a spicy Italian sausage here, but you can use anything you like or even just some ground pork or ground chicken. Cook and stir occasionally until the sausage is brown. It should take about 5 minutes. It will continue to cook with the vegetables and in the oven, so it's okay if it's not completely done at this point. Add in a mixture of 1 medium onion, 2 ribs of celery, and 1 small bell pepper diced small. Season with salt, pepper, and optionally a little bit of your favorite Cajun or Creole seasoning. Cook and stir occasionally until the vegetables are softened, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add in 1 to 2 cloves of sliced garlic and cook for 1 more minute. While the sausage and vegetables cook, you can make the quick topping. Get a small bowl and stir together about 2½ tablespoons each of grated Parmesan cheese and dried breadcrumbs. Turn off the heat and add in about 1 to 1½ cups of cooked white rice. Leftover is fine. Add in a little splash of Worcestershire sauce and optionally some hot sauce if you like. Stir everything to combine, and then you'll be ready to put it all together. Carefully spoon some of the mixture into each of the bell pepper halves. Don't worry if there's any extra. It's great all by itself. It's kind of like a deconstructed version of jambalaya. You could totally make the stuffing on its own as an interesting side dish if you don't want to make the stuffed peppers. You could also use it to stuff tomatoes or hollowed out squash as well. Here's the best part. Sprinkle on the cheese and breadcrumb topping over each pepper and top with just a little butter, probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons overall. Butter makes everything better, and it helps it go nice and brown in the oven. Pour in a little water to cover the bottom of the baking dish, which I forgot to do, or you could use a little beer or white wine to experiment with the flavor. Get the whole lot into the center of a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven, that's about 200 degrees Celsius. Cook for about 25 to 30 minutes or until everything has gone golden brown and delicious. And here are your stuffed bell peppers. Colorful with one of my favorite spring and summer things of all. I used to grow bell peppers on my patio, but my neighbor's cat ate more of them than I did. You can vary the stuffing if you like with some fresh herbs and consider using it to stuff some tomatoes or the zucchini that you never seem to know what to do with. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and check out another one of my easy recipe videos here.